This is the Star Learning Series. We're going to do the alphabet letter K. The sound is K. K for king. Say the sound and words after me. K. King. The king lives in the palace. K. Kite. I fly my kite when it is windy. K. Kitten. A baby cat is called a kitten. K. Kingfisher. The name of this bird is a kingfisher. K. Kangaroo. A kangaroo likes to hop around. K. Kid. A baby goat is called a kid. K. Kids. We also call young children kids. K. Kiss. I kiss my cousin happy birthday. K. Koala. We find a koala in Australia. K. Karate. Tabo goes to karate every Tuesday. K. Karate suit. He wears a karate suit. K. Kind. The lady is very kind because she helped me. K. Kick. I can kick the big ball. K. Key. I put the key into the keyhole. K. Keyhole. This is the keyhole. Well done. K. Kit bag. She puts her towel in the kit bag. K. Kilogram. This box weighs 1 kilogram. K. Kitchen. Mommy cooks in the kitchen. K. Kettle. He boils the water in the kettle. K. Kelp. We find kelp in the ocean. K. Kayak. My brother likes to paddle in the kayak. K. Kennel. The dog sleeps in the kennel. K. Keyboard. I play music on the keyboard. K. Keyboard. This is a keyboard to use with a computer. K. Kiwi fruit. I eat a kiwi fruit for lunch. I am a star. Well done. Give yourself a hug.